Today I'm going to show you how to check the Remedy single sign-on server status after installation. Now that the product has been installed successfully, let's verify if everything is running correctly. Go back to the directory that the product has been installed. We go into TrueSite Rsso and bin directory. We go in, this is the installed location where the Rsso has been installed, and Rsso and bin, and we can run this command rsso server status. It shows that both database server and Tomcat servers are running successfully. Now that everything is running, let's log on to the Rsso server using the default credentials. So I'm logging in here. Default username is admin and the password is rsso #admin. Okay, now we have successfully logged into the console. And as you can see all the information within the Remedy single sign-on here. If you want to change the default admin password, you can come here and do the change password. This concludes the video for how to check the Remedy single sign-on server status after installation. Thank you for your time.